Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for joining me today. I hope you guys are having a fantastic day. If you guys can probably hear my little dog behind. She's a little Bichon Frise. Her name is Belle. So if you guys hear her bark, please just ignore her. She barks every time anyone comes anywhere near my house. Good little protective dog. Guys, I am bringing you a video today from Poundland. So all the items here are all from Poundland. They're various prices because you guys know that Poundland now I don't only do things that are a pound. But I got some really fun stuff and I really wanted to share it with you guys. So first thing I have really got into potting plants lately. And I have potted a ton that are scattered around the front of my house and the back of my house. And I just wanted something a little fun to make it look a little bit brighter, to put a bit of fun and a bit of colour into those little potted plant areas. So guys, I was in Poundland and there were two different sets of these little pinwheels. These little windmills are so cute. Oh, this one's back to front. So guys, I got 3 sets, but I'm going to show you a set of 1, and they are these adorable little pinwheels. They come in 3 different styles. Let me take them out of the packaging. And they were £1 for 3, which I think is pretty awesome. I did get some really big ones from, I think, Home Bargains. No, I got them from George at Asda, and they were only £1 each, but they're massive. And I have some little potted plants I just want to put a pop of colour in. So you've got this gorgeous iridescent one, and I love the fact that they're wooden. You've got this gorgeous little polka dot one, and this gorgeous little striped one. I love how the striped one looks when it's being twisted. So I bought 3 sets of these, £1 a pack, which I thought was pretty awesome. My 3 packs. We'll set these over here. And then I got 2 of these little ones. These ones are blue and white. Just in the same kind of fashion on little skewer sticks. Again, we have the blue striped. Very cute. We have the solid blue, which is gorgeous, and the little polka dot blue. So guys, I thought these were a lot of fun. I do intend to mix up the colors, so I have a little bit of variety, but I thought these were pretty awesome, and don't they look super cute and adorable? So I was super happy with those. Guys, let me put that to the side. Another little thing for my garden are these 3D sun catchers. It says it adds movement to your garden. Well, I have, these can actually be planted in your garden, but they can also be hung up. I'm not really sure what these are supposed to look like. I guess like a balloon type, but multicolored and really shimmery. So you've got these gorgeous shimmers. Aren't they super cute? They're going to add a huge pop of color to my garden. I'm not really sure how to set this up, but I might do that at the end of the video and then just pop a little photograph in for you guys to see. But I purchased 2 of these to add a little bit of color, and I just think these are going to look so nice. But I will pop a photograph in at the end when I set this up, and I'll let you guys see. Oh, we have, oh, this is very heavy. I'll let you guys see what this looks like when it's all set up. So we'll pop that off to the side for now. Couple little fun activities I purchased. These are craft models, and they are little dough sun catchers, and I thought these would be really cute to put on my tree. You can paint these, or they come with this foam, almost like foam putty that you can press in, let it dry, and then I'm going to pop them on my tree just to give it a bit of color. You guys can see there's a big theme going on in my garden, multicolored rainbow. Loving it. So that's going to look super stunning. Next couple of items I got are some candy. These fruity tubes are so delish. If you guys like a little bit of fruit flavored like jelly, and it's got like a creamy filled center. These are only £1. You're getting 280 grams of net weight for £1. I don't eat big quantities of these, maybe take a little handful every now and again, and these last me for a long time. So I'm super excited about getting these. You cannot get these everywhere. The only place I've been able to find them is Poundland. So anytime I'm in, I make sure these, and they have them in stock, I make sure these are in my shopping cart. So I'm super happy about those. I was looking, it's funny, I was looking at these little yogurt coated banana chips. And I kept going back and forward and back and forward, picking them up, putting them down, saying, oh, I don't know if I like them. And a girl came up to me and said, these are delicious. She said she buys these all the time. They're so nice. So I decided to pick them up and give them a try. Again, only £1. You're getting in this pack 150 grams of net weight. So that's pretty awesome as well. So they'll be a nice little maybe healthier snack for me to snack on. So I'm really excited to try those. I always pick up a pair of run around slippers. These are men's slippers I just picked up for my husband. They're just run around the house slippers. They're not really outside slippers, but they were only £2.50. And I thought, you know, if I get these and they don't last that long, I'm really not that bothered. I have purchased these before for my husband, and he does just like running around the house in them. So this little black pair is super soft, guys, super soft. They're made by Pep & Co. They come in small, medium, and large. I usually go for the medium, which is around about an 8 to 9. But I love Pep & Co. Clothing. I don't know if you guys have seen Poundland Pep & Co. clothing, but I buy a lot of stuff from there. I like these wee hangers because I reuse them. I think they're pretty awesome. But for £2.50, I definitely think that that is a bargain. So if you guys are in the market for a little run around pair of slippers just to run around at home in, these are definitely the way to go. They last probably 4 or 5 months, and then you will need to have to buy another pair, but just cheap and cheerful. I think they're pretty awesome. Guys, let me show you what else we got. I'll show you that last. I use a lot of these plastic clamps. I know they're basically used for woodwork, but I use them for hanging things and holding packets and things together. I just think they're handy. They're a little pack of 4. I picked up 2 packs. £1 a pack, and they're super strong. They're great for holding packs of crisps closed. I know you guys can get packs. You can get like closers that will go along the top, but I find sometimes they're not long enough to go from side to side. These are pretty good. Once you actually clip it on, it's pretty secure. So I always pick these up when I can find them. Just a little pack of 4 clamps, and I think they're pretty awesome. But if you guys are into woodwork, or you need tools, or you're a tradesman, these are pretty awesome. Pretty cheap, pretty cheerful. I'm always happy with those. Let me show you what else I got, guys. I have outside my house, I have a pipe where the washing machine goes, and it does have a bit of a hole around the outside. It's coming into summer, and I thought what I would try is this 501, the original Gorilla filler in its expanding foam, just to go around my pipe and insulate it to stop any warm air getting out and stop cold air coming in. This says it's suitable for filling and sealing gaps and cavities. Yeah. So this little item was £2. I don't mind that for £2. I know this expanding foam can be so much more expensive than that. So I'm super happy to have this. And guys, you know, do not put Gorilla Glue filler, any kind of Gorilla products on your hair, on your face. They're used for what they're supposed to be used for, what they're meant to be used for. So I'm super happy to have this, to try this out. Next thing I purchased was I think this is an awesome bargain. Pep & Co. do a pack of 5 black socks. I love black socks. I always tend to get the men's socks because I think they fit better. I think women's socks, sometimes women's socks have flowers and stuff on them. I usually like plain black. So I picked up these little socks. It's 5 pair for £2 from Pep & Co. That is awesome, which is a brand from Poundland. So I'm super happy with those. Can't wait to get those open and get using them. Because I bought this little fleecy throw. Now this little fleecy throw is for my dog's bed. My dog has a super cute comfy bed, but I do like to get her something a little new every now and again. So this little throw again from Pep & Co. It is 120 by 150 centimeters, relatively small. I only have a small dog, so that's perfectly fine for me. And it cost £1. I could not believe it. So let's show you guys what it looks like. Oh, I'm throwing the rubbish on the floor. So guys, this is all it is. A little fleecy throw. I mean, this is not a small throw. This is actually quite a decent size throw, and then it's doubled in half again. So for £1, I was pretty excited about that. I definitely picked it up. Cannot wait to get that on her bed. She will love it. Now guys, I want to show you my favorite things. Can't even reach this one. I want to show you my favorite things that I got in Poundland today. These little candle holders are adorable. They come in black and they come in white. I traditionally like the black color, and they are this, I don't even know how to describe it, but it's wired, doubled over at the top. You can see it's got this gorgeous rounded edge, and then you just put a little tea light at the top. I bought two. Really, you could not, quite sturdy. You could not get better than that for £1 each. And I also bought little citronella tea lights to go inside them. I like sitting out the back sometimes. Tea lights are £1 for a pack of 24. I think that is a great bargain. Guys, I also purchased a Pepsi Max. Actually, you get 2 of those bottles of Pepsi Max for £1. So I did get 2. I've already drank one. And I'm going to drink this one next. But for 20, oh, I like the way these are both sealed in different, so this one will stay sealed when you take the first layer out, so that's pretty awesome. I do like sitting out the back. Sometimes the flies and the insects are annoying, just a little niggly, so I thought on my table where we sit sometimes in the evenings having our dinner, these would be super cute. And I like how the yellow looks against the black. Very, very nifty. So these are definitely my favorite purchase of today's products from Poundland. And I love them. I think they're so cute, so adorable. And I am so excited about getting my little planters fixed with these adorable little windmills. How cute are they? So guys, that's all I have for you today. I hope you guys like this video. If you do, please smash a thumbs up. If you guys are not yet a subscriber and would like to join us, go ahead and hit that subscribe button, and don't forget about the notification bell. Guys, don't forget, I am going to pop somewhere in this video just to show you guys what these look like. So I'm going to go ahead and do that now. I'll take a photograph and I will insert it into this video. Guys, have a wonderful day. Please stay safe, look out for each other, and please take care of yourself. I'm going to catch you next time. See you later. Bye.